Hello everyone. So in this video we will start with the admin beginner trail. So we will start with the first module, that is Salesforce platform basic. Let's jump into the first one. Get started with the Salesforce platform. So in this trail you will admin beginner trail. So this is the unit 1, that is get started with the Salesforce platform. So in this unit you will learn how to create a Trailhead playground. We will describe the Dreamhouse scenario, and there is a difference between the no code development or the programmatic development. So you need to read all the content given here, so you will get all the details. So let's start with the challenge. So first we will create one TP, that is Trailhead Playground. So you need to click on this three dot, manage org. So it will open all the orgs. So we will create one playground and we will name it as admin beginner. So it will take some time. So after this TP is created, we will refresh this page to reflect that TP, and we will launch that TP. Till then we will wait. I will pause this video till the TP is created. Now the TP is created, you can see this admin beginner. So we will see here, we are not able to see, so we need to refresh this page. When you refresh, it will automatically catch that you have created this one. So we will launch this one. And what is our major task is that first we need to install the Dreamhouse app. So here you can see the package ID. So we will copy this. You can go with the instruction given here. So here what instruction is given, that you need to click on the install package in the playground starter. So you need to paste that package ID here and click on install. So we need to install it for all users. So we will click on install all user and click on install. Click on the yes, grant access to third party website. Continue. Again I will pause this video to save some time. Now you can see the installation is completed in our TP, that is admin beginner. So we can refresh this page and we can click on the app launcher and write Dreamhouse and click on the Dreamhouse app. So now we have opened the Dreamhouse app in our admin beginner Trailhead Playground. So what is the ask? We need to create one. We need to create one checkbox field on the contact object. So we will go on the contact object. I will go directly by clicking on the setup icon, edit object. I will close this one, this also, this also. So in the fields and relationship section, let me cross this. I will click on the new field, that will be a checkbox. So I will select the field type as a checkbox and give the name as whatever it is given. I need to copy that, enter pre-qualified. So we need to copy as it is and we need to click next, next, next and save. Where it is here. So it will auto populate field name. We need to click next. Leave the field level security as it is. Click on next. Click on save. So you can see we have created one field pre-qualified. It will be shown here. Okay. So what we need to check, we need to open the Dreamhouse contact tab, use the contact under the details. So we need to open any contact. So we will click on all contact list view in that and open any contact. And then in the detail section we can see pre-qualified here at the bottom, I think here. So you can see pre-qualified checkbox is there. So if you double click, you can check it. So this is the ask on the content side, but for the challenge what we need to add, we need to add a custom field to the contact. So every time when you try to complete any unit, you need to do whatever is asked in above in the content side, upper side, then you need to complete the challenge. So challenge is that we need to create a custom field in addition to the one you made earlier in this unit. Okay, so on the same contact object, currency type, field label will be loan amount. So I will copy this loan amount. I will go to contact object, field and relationship, new, and the field type will be currency. Click on next, give the label as it is. If it is not saying any decimal, so we will not do anything. We will click on next. We will leave the field level security as it is. Click on next. We will leave the page layout and we will click on save. So if we refresh this page, then we will see the loan amount on the contact record page. So pre-qualified loan amount. So we can the $1,000 is required. So 1,000 save. So we can see we have added the field and pre-qualified. Okay. So we will go and we will check if it is completed or not. So we have completed this one. Thank you so much. We'll